issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Montague County in north central Texas, northern Wise County in north central Texas, southwestern Cook County in north central Texas until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Sunset, 7 miles south of Bowie, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 65 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near sunset around 6:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Prairie Point, Ralston, Millard, Leo, Fruitland, Park Springs, Montague, Hood, Crompton, and Myra. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect